What's going on, guys? Another episode of Kyle TV. In this episode we'll be talking about an ICO and a little bit about the cryptocurrency market right now, specifically Bitcoin. The overall basically market is green today, in the past 24 hours at least. So let's go ahead and jump in. We'll go ahead and look at the Bitcoin chart real quick, and then we'll move on to the ICO that I'm taking a look at, and you guys can let me know what you guys think at the end of the video. But as far as Bitcoin goes, definitely broke through a lot of key areas, and I don't really think people have really anticipated this. I think most people thought that right around this area when it first hit 8K that it may, especially right here when it dipped below 8K again, that it might indeed go back to 5K. So very interesting. You know, it's definitely a good indicator as far as the entire cryptocurrency market is concerned. It is interesting to see how it correlates with the stock market, because if you didn't know, the stock market dipped almost record numbers in the past week or two, and definitely regained a little bit, and people think it's still healthy and could see new highs. But it's kind of strange that the cryptocurrency market is kind of ahead of the stock market. It dipped before the crash and it regained before the stock market did, so that's kind of interesting. Now don't quote me on that, if on the actual timing of it, but here are some key areas, and you'll just kind of have to disregard my pitchfork here. But anyways, I charted Bitcoin and had a Fibonacci retracement level here, and it's definitely seen some key points, and you know, basically broke through that, and also broke through one of these wedges here. So very interesting to see that. It is dropping right around here, so we'll see if it breaks below that again. But a lot of people were anticipating that it would actually come up through this channel and go back down to 5K already. So it's definitely broke through a lot of different levels. If we go to TradingView and look at some of these some of these charters and people basically charting Bitcoin, they were also looking at basically it dropping down as well, and basically Bitcoin did its own thing and went actually higher and broke through a lot of key levels and things like that. So those are just some different people who chart on here, but it's interesting to see what they say. Some of these guys are, you may have seen them already, but I just follow some of these guys on TradingView. No big deal, just to kind of see what they are saying. But there you have it. Also, we'll go ahead and move on to the ICO I'm looking at, which is Coinstarter, which is basically an ICO, basically startup fundraising type of platform, where you can bring your ICO to their platform, and basically they give you the funding, the resources you need as an ICO to get to the next level, to get funding, and to get all the resources you need as an ICO. So this isn't a new idea. There's been other platforms like kickico.com, and you can actually buy some of their cryptocurrency, which right now it's only sitting at 6 cents, which is very low. But there's been other fundraising platforms that have been quite successful. But you do get an exclusive up to 4 to 8% bonus for backing projects with on a KickICO. So some of the big notables, have been you may have seen, like Arbitrage Crypto, Trader, SoFin. I mean, there's quite a few on here. I think they have the premier successful campaigns. We'll go back here. Universa was big there for a while. You had Storica, it looks like there. So several different notable ICOs to take note of. But anyways, Coinstarter is one of the bigger crowd basically ICO fundraising platforms I've seen. They have 203,000 members and already almost 4,000 ICOs submitted. So if we go through their white paper, it's pretty well done. Just kind of shows you traditional venture capitalist versus initial coin offerings there. Shows you potential user growth. Let's go ahead and see if we can scroll through and find some more good numbers here as well. It's got 3 different types of basically revenue generating products here. We got Coinstarter, which is obviously the ICO side of it. You have BusinessFi, which is it's kind of like a whole business, basically a it manages a lot of different things for your business, kind of like a one-stop shop place to run your business. You have payroll, expenses, hiring, invoices, payments. It's like QuickBooks on steroids. And so that's definitely something that's interesting as well. I think you can use the tokens maybe to do this as well. Yeah, it says you can actually try it for free, and then you can pay with Coinstarter coins. So that's very cool that they would have something like that as well. And they have Coinstarter Box, which is something very interesting as well. Basically, you receive ERC20 ICO tokens on, of course, probably on course from their platform, ICOs that register with them. But basically, you pay a membership. It's like you have a box of coins basically that comes into your ERC20 compatible wallet every month, and you just pay a simple fee, and you get like bonuses and things like that, and you basically get these coins a lot earlier, I believe, as well. So it's pretty crazy. I've never really seen anything like this. Maybe there's something on the market that I haven't seen, but this is very interesting. So this is the most popular for an enthusiast, but $49 a month, retail $160. Receive a large amount of coins every month to enhance your collection. Same thing with here. It's just different levels. Serious, receive a serious amount of coins every month and acquire a large collection of different coins. So this is very interesting. This is something that, what if your $99 a month, at the end of the year turned into like $100,000, because some of these projects may become really successful on here. So this is very cool. I think it's a very cool idea. I like all their products, how it's basically covers all different perspectives of this. Being an investor, have an ICO box, even for ICOs and businesses to come in here and manage your business. You can just pay with crypto. So I think it's very cool. It's like QuickBooks meets like a Salesforce kind of platform. So I think that's very cool as well. So you can come in here and see this. I read this white paper before, and I forgot some of the details as well, but they just have revenue predictions here up to 2020, different campaigns. They definitely plan on being one of the #1 list places to start an ICO is what it looks like. You have different features of the platform and things like that. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's something to you definitely go through the white paper. Definitely take a look at at this platform. Let me know what you guys think. So with that being said, guys, this ICO is a little over halfway done. They've already raised $7 million, $7.5 million and counting. Let me see. I believe this. I'm not sure what happened there, but I believe this ICO ends sometime very soon. I'll have to double check and make sure, or I'll just post it in the description below. But anyways, you guys get the idea. You can see the roadmap and everything from their website at coinstarter.com. I'll definitely have a link below to this website. But that's pretty much it, guys. Overall market there, and then this Coinstarter ICO. Let me know what you guys think. I always listen to you guys on your comments, and if that's pretty much, or if you like this video, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and tick the notification bell for more videos like that. And I'll see you guys at the blockchain and in the next video. Peace. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you share it, and don't forget to watch one of these videos beside me, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.